Hello from ChiNation.com. This is Mark Josie. Today I'm going to do an airgun video, and not totally a review but more of a shooting test, and I'll do the review later, of course. This is the Evanix Hunting Master AR6 pistol. It's a .22 caliber pellet pistol. With you use these mags. They're fully made of metal, and this little ball bearing here is a spring loaded, and then you insert 6 pellets from the top, and then you put it in like so. So we'll put this in like this. There we go. Today I'm going to use some this is the hollow point pellet, and then we'll shoot glass bottle. Okay, so let's follow me to the range, and I'll set up the bottle. Okay guys, and now I'll shoot and also check the sound level of this pistol. I'm going to shoot in single action mode. Whoa. 89.5. It's supposed to be a bit over 90 decibel. Yeah. Very loud. Now let's take a look at the target up there, the 3 target. Now, pellet shooting at these tin cans. Okay, let's take a look. Very loud. Okay, we just emptied the other shots here. Okay guys, all 6 gone. Take a look at the target. Okay everyone, here's the target. Hole in the front, big hole. Out the back. And then this one. Oh, this one was shot before, so you can see holes here. And then holes in, holes out. Okay, pretty bad. So 2 sides of the can, and of course the pellet blasted through the can. I mean the bottle. Wow, holy crap! Look at that. It shattered it pretty badly. Eh? Really nice power. So this is the one of the most powerful pellet handgun, semi-auto handgun in the airgun market right now. This is the Evanix Hunting Master AR6 pistol. It's a PCP airgun. Stay tuned for my full review. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.